Welcome, friends. Welcome back to our channel. But if this is your first time, welcome to the team. We're happy to see you. I hope you stay. But anyway, today we're making taco cups. And these are bursting with flavor cups. And they're good for so many things. You can make them for game day, if you're having a get together, if you're having a party, an event, Super Bowl, hello, Super Bowl. And they're great as a snack. You can make them and bring them to your office for party day or birthday day, and everyone is going to say, "Wow, these are great," and they're very easy to make. Very easy to make. Today, we're going to start with the ingredients that are going to go into the cups, because right now I'm making the cups, and I'll show you how to do that in a little bit. Today, we're making vegetarian taco cups, but here are the great news. Once you get in the kitchen, if you want to add a little meat, you can add a little meat. If you want to add other ingredients, you can add, take out some ingredients, make it your own. Have fun. As long as you have fun and make the dish with love, it's going to come out great. I guarantee it. So let's get started. Come on, let's do it. So here are the ingredients that we're going to be using to fill the cups. We have refried beans. And what I've done with the refried beans is I've added a little bit of sour cream, make them a little softer, a little more tasty. We have some avocado. Now, you can use guacamole if you like, but I like to add a little texture, and I don't want to add everything so liquidy to the cups. I want them to feel a little bit of texture when they're biting into it. I have some pico de gallo, very simple pico de gallo. I've deseeded the tomatoes to make them less liquidy. Red onions, cilantro, a little bit of salt. That's all. I have Mexican four cheese mix, some jalapeno or serrano peppers, and you can use your favorite salsa. Now, these are all the ingredients that I'm using today. But again, you can add as many as you like. Remember, these are little cups. You don't want to overdo them. And you don't want to use too many liquidy ingredients because that might make your cups a little soggy, especially if you make them before serving them. But I will have some solutions for that coming up. Now let's get to cooking the cups. Should we? Great, let's do it. So today we're going to be using phyllo dough to make the cups. And for those of you who have not worked with phyllo dough before, it's rather easy. Once you make a couple of them, the rest are like piece of cake, right? So first you place the phyllo dough, one sheet on a board. If you have a graded board like this, it's great. If you don't, you can use a ruler or just eye your cuts. It doesn't have to be perfect. Then we're going to go ahead and put some olive oil, brushing some olive oil in each of the sheets. Now, they break easy. If they do, don't panic. The box comes with 30. Okay, that's one. I'm going to add a little bit of cheese throughout. That's going to give her a little flavor. Not too much, just a little bit for flavoring. And then I'm going to go ahead and add another sheet on top. And I'm going to repeat the process. Put the oil on top. I'm going to do the same thing with this one. I'm going to add a little bit of cheese, not too much. If you want to add other things like some pepper flakes or some garlic powder or onion powder, you can do that. It would add special flavor to it. And when you have your 3 sheets on, you're going to cut them. If you have a pizza cutter, it's fine. If you have a sharp knife, that would work the same. So I'm going to cut them across in half, and then in about 2-inch squares. I'm going to separate them. They come apart rather easy. So here we have 8. I have a pan for 12 cups, so we're going to have to do another set. Okay, so here I have the tray with 12 cups. The phyllo dough is already in, and I'm gonna place it in the oven for about 8 minutes until the phyllo dough turns lightly brown, a nice brown color, and that they will be ready. Then I will let them cool off before I start adding the ingredients in the cups. They're just out of the oven, and they're perfect. As you can see, the baking spray works wonder. So I'm going to allow them to cool down, and I'm going to fill them while they're in the tray. And then I'll give you a little secret just in case you fear that they might get the soggy bottom. The perfect solution coming up. That was fun. I had a lot of fun cooking those cups. And I'm going to have a lot of fun eating them. I just love them. They're great. Now, you may have noticed I serve them in those paper cups that are made for cupcakes. But my favorite option to serve them is buffet style. You just put the cups on a server dish and just put all the ingredients around. And you can add even more ingredients. Let your guests pick the ones that they love and make their own taco cups. That's my favorite way. Once again, I want to thank you for stopping to see our channel. We really appreciate you. And we hope to see you next time. Until then, be well, be safe. Goodbye.